Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure through VB script to navigate from two different developed screen. So as you can see, one of screen I have the overview screen and the second screen I have a setting screen. So in this tutorial video, we'll learn how we can navigate between two of different screens. So let's see practically how we can configure inside the WinCC SCADA. So we'll open the WinCC Explorer and come in the graphic design area. So here we have two of different screens. Like one is the main screen that is the overview screen, and then we have the settings screen. So we'll open the both. So as you can see, this is my main screen, and then here I have the settings screen. So I'll just remove. So now I'll configure in the main screen. I want to navigate. Once I click this button, it should navigate to me over this second screen. So come here in the main screen, select like your text or any object or button, anything, and then come in the event, mouse, press left, and VBX. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how VB script we can change the screen. So I will write here HMI runtime dot base screen name is equal then here I will put my screen name. Suppose for example my screen name where I want to navigate setting screen. Okay, that's it. Just check any syntax error. No, I will copy this code, copy and save it. And similar manner in the setting area also, I will come and I will select here the overview. This is actually group of my objects. And then I will come here in the event, mouse, press left, right click, VBS action, and I will paste the same code and I will just rename it. Like I will put main screen. That's it. Okay, press OK, then save it. And click at the runtime. So our runtime screen is open now. So now I'll click here in the setting. So as you can see, I my screen is changed from overview screen to setting screen. Once I click back over the overview screen, so as you can see, I came back into my main overview screen. So Alhamdulillah, we'll learn how we can configure the navigation between two different screens inside the WinCC SCADA. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video.